Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Acer Iconia A10 and let me share with you how to enable the developer options on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find About Tablet. And now we have to localize a special number which is called build number. So let's keep tapping on it until you'll see that you're in the developer mode. Now we can enter the system options, scroll down and enter developer options. And here we've got plenty of advanced settings which we can customize. So for example, we can change the window animation scale, show surface updates. Here we've got some options which are connected with the networking. So pretty a lot of options to choose from and to customize. If you want to turn on the feature, simply tap on the switcher and it will be immediately activated and applied. And of course you can turn it off the same way. If you've got the options without the switcher, simply tap on them to open more options to choose from. If you're done with customization of developer options, you can always turn them off just by using this switcher which is pinned to the top of the screen. Simply tap on it and the developer options will be inactive. After basically getting back to the system, you can see that the developer options will disappear, but of course no worries, you can customize them again. Just go back to the build number step and keep tapping. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.